If you're an avid car collector, or you're just starting down that road, you know that one of your biggest challenges is finding a home for your collection. Perhaps you've imposed on your friends in the past, or you've thought about adding garage space, but you just don't have enough property, and obtaining all the needed approvals isn't easy. That's why more and more discerning car collectors are making the drive to Club Autosport Silicon Valley. Unique, purpose-built car condominiums, designed for your car and you. Club Autosport offers a safe and secure place to store and enjoy your vintage, exotic, or high-performance race cars. An exclusive club where you can socialize with friends and other auto enthusiasts. Convenient, time-saving concierge services. Consignment sales of fine top-line luxury and collectible automobiles, and the synergy to support philanthropic activities.
$4,000, $5,000, $55,000, $6,000.
Located in Silicon Valley's dynamic center of high technology, the club includes gated electronic security with vehicle tag ID, attractive landscaping, secure exterior parking for RVs and other support vehicles, plenty of visitor parking, and even high-octane race fuel, waste oil recycling, propane, and a detailing station on site. From the moment you see Club Autosport's gleaming European-style profiles, you'll know this is where you belong. The facilities include up to 120,000 square feet of space, a clubhouse with soaring window walls, ideal for displaying members' collections, multiple large flat-screen TVs for watching motorsports events with your friends, a catering kitchen that can be reserved by members for private functions, and desirable common area amenities such as fitness centers, showers, and state-of-the-art conference rooms so you can handle business when needed. As you move down the wide, lighted drive aisles, you'll find individual condo units in a broad range of sizes and prices. Even the smallest units can accommodate up to 4 cars. More if stacking systems are used. And every unit boasts large roll-up truck doors, full-height demising walls, standard or custom ventilation systems, sophisticated fire suppressant solutions, and the opportunity to add security webcams so you can check on your cars at any time. You'll also get 24/7 access to your collection, something you can't always count on with other storage options. And you can customize your space for your particular needs. At Club Autosport, you'll be a member of one of the hottest clubs in town, together with a who's who of business leaders who share your passion for cars. In addition to relaxing in our plush clubhouse and lounge, you'll enjoy club socials and stimulating guest speakers, touring events, exclusive track days, and access to other Club Autosport locations. Standard and premium concierge services free your time for business or family matters. You can arrange to have your cars, motorcycles, or luxury motor coach fully prepped for travel. And chores such as routine maintenance, start and run, vehicle transport, and even picking up your dry cleaning are a snap with our assistance. Want a better way to buy or sell high-end luxury or collectible cars? Premier Auto Sales at Club Autosport takes investment-grade collectible, exotic, super and specialty cars, as well as top-line luxury automobiles on consignment and displays them both in our elegant clubhouse and online to buyers worldwide. You'll enjoy low commissions, relief from the pressure and anxiety of auctions, and none of the headaches of private sales. Beyond club activities and convenient services, Club Auto Sport lets you give back to the community by supporting numerous worthwhile charities and local causes with everything from fundraisers to fashion shows. If you're looking for a way to rev up your next corporate event, social mixer, board meeting, or just about any type of function, large or small, Club Auto Sport is the place. Both our clubhouse and executive boardroom are available for rent, with a full complement of support services included, from event planning and catering to live entertainment. Club Auto Sport also serves as a catalyst for automotive innovation and the development and application of green technology. Finally, if you've transformed your car collecting hobby into a business, you can expect numerous tax benefits from your condo purchase at Club Auto Sport, including a substantial six-figure deduction under IRC Section 179 and additional write-offs as well. You probably won't be surprised to learn that these unique car condominiums could only be the brainchild of local business people who are themselves big car enthusiasts. John Davis is a successful Silicon Valley businessman and philanthropist. He is founder of Air Systems and president of the historic stock car racing series, who is also an avid car collector and driver. And Ralph Borelli is chairman of Borelli Investment Company, which is developing and marketing Club Auto Sport. Ralph drives in the historic stock car racing series and owns Borelli Motorsports, which rents short and long-term space for smaller collections at Club Auto Sport. Club Auto Sport is the perfect place for you to indulge your passion. Enjoy exclusive club activities. Take advantage of time-saving services. And support good causes within our community. Become one of the driven few at Club Auto Sport.